When we learn about climate change, we're usually taught to look upward, towards smokestacks, power plants, and exhaust filled skies. We talk about cars, air conditioners, factories, and fossil fuels. And for a long time, I also believed that these were the only places where the real damage was happening. That changed when I was reading more deeply about climate change and its causes and realized that it is not only what we burn that matters, but landfills too. I never realized landfills played such a significant role in global warming. The more I read about methane emissions from landfills and the technology used to capture them, the more striking that absence became. Not because the solution was unrealistic, but because it was being implemented. The question that stayed with me was very simple. Why was something this practical almost invisible in climate discussions? We treat landfills as the end of our story. Once something is thrown away, we assume its impact disappears along with it. But in reality, landfills are active systems. They are constantly reacting and producing gases, especially methane. Methane rarely dominates climate conversations, yet it is one of the most dangerous greenhouse gas. Over a short period of time, methane traps far more heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide does, which means its impact is faster and more intense. When food waste decomposes underground without oxygen, it releases methane. And unless something stops it, methane releases directly into the atmosphere. According to the United Nations Environment Programme, methane is responsible for nearly 30% of global warming today. And in that, landfills are among the largest human made sources of these emissions. This sounds like a serious failure, and it is. But it is also an opportunity because methane does not have to escape. Landfills can be equipped with systems that capture methane as it forms, process it, and convert it into energy. This energy can be used to generate electricity, heat buildings, or provide fuel. This process is known as methane mining. Although the name sounds futuristic, the technology itself is neither experimental nor new. In India, landfill gas projects exist in states such as Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, where methane is captured from waste sites and used to generate electricity. Similar projects exists in countries such as Sweden and the United States as well. What makes methane mining especially powerful is not what it does, but how quickly it works. Reducing methane has an immediate impact on warming because methane does not remain in the atmosphere for centuries the way carbon dioxide does. Capturing landfill gas and reducing dependency on fossil fuels while using systems we already have instead of waiting for future innovations is really important. So, if this works and it is already being implemented, why is it rarely discussed? Perhaps it is because it is not visually impressive. It does not look revolutionary and it forces us to confront waste, which most of us prefer not to think about. Methane mining does not feel inspiring in the way futuristic technologies do, but climate change is not slowed by what feels impressive. It is slowed by what actually works. Methane mining will not solve climate change on its own, and it does not replace the need for renewable energy or waste reduction systems. However, ignoring methane from landfills while searching for distant solutions allows one of the most dangerous greenhouse gases to slowly heat the planet. The future is not about inventing something new. It is about taking responsibility for what we already have and choosing not to waste solutions just because they are not glamorous. We often think responsibility begins when something is created. Perhaps it also begins when something is thrown away. Thank you.